Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off dark theme on your Android phone. If your phone is using dark mode and you want to switch back to the light theme, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap Display. On some phones, this option may be called Display and Brightness. Inside the display settings, look for dark theme, dark mode, or theme depending on your device. If dark theme is turned on, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Your phone will immediately switch back to the light theme. If you don't see the option in display settings, go back and use the settings search bar. Type dark theme or dark mode and open the matching result. Also, if dark theme is scheduled to turn on automatically, open the dark theme schedule settings and disable the schedule. Otherwise, your phone may switch back to dark mode later. After making these changes, return to your home screen and open a few apps to confirm that the light theme is now active. That's it. You've successfully turned off dark theme on your Android phone. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Menu names and settings may vary depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.